Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox this smart watch. Okay, it's called M3 smartwatch. Okay, it's a very simple. Sorry, I adjust the camera position first. Okay, it's a very simple smartwatch, and this is the user manual. This can measure your heart rate, blood pressure, and also your exercise activity, walking, jogging activity. And using this manual in Chinese, right? Never mind, it's okay. But it's using the Lefun help apps. Okay, later I will demonstrate for you to have a look. Okay, before that I try to switch on. Okay, I just speed up. Okay, I try to switch on. Just press and hold this button. Okay. Why? I already take it alright. Okay, here still got a very small. Can you see it? Sorry, I try to focus it. It's hard to focus. Okay, I try to remove this plastic cover. The very thin. Okay, I already remove it. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, so easy for me to press on it. Okay, so try to take it out. Yeah. Okay, so how we going to take out this? Okay, it's very simple. Just from the real side, okay, just thing is try to take it out. Just drag it. Yeah. So it's that simple. So if you want to charge it, you just plug into your power bank or the USB charger. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the USB, the power bank, sorry. So to charge it, just very simple. You just plug in it, then you start charging. Can you see? Sorry, my phone is not very good in focus. Yeah, you can see. Then you just unplug it. That's all. Very simple. Okay, very simple. You can either use a USB charger or the power bank to charge it. Okay, before I continue my video, I show you. Actually, just now I mentioned it's only in Chinese. Sorry. The user manual come with the English as well. You can have a look. Okay, it's very simple instruction. You can support. The apps. The Lefun help apps is support Android and iOS. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. It's hard to focus my phone. Oh, what happened to my phone? Okay. Okay. Sorry, that's my autofocus. Okay, so how you going to put in back to the, let's call this what, the wristband? Okay, So you find they actually a deep hole over here. So you have to slot in this thing to this hole. Okay. Then just, yeah, push it back. That's all. Okay. Then only have one button. You press it, it's just keep forward. Okay. So now I show in my phone. You can see you have to install this called Lefun. You can see Lefun. So I go into the apps. Okay, I just cancel, sorry. Okay, so this is the apps. Once I switch on, I have to on my Bluetooth. One. Okay, I have to switch on my Bluetooth. And I think, okay. Okay, so I on my Bluetooth. After that, I have to find the connector. I think I have to search. Try to search. I think it is connected. Okay. So this is the apps. Okay. So I try to wait first. Okay, I'll show you. Once it's connected to the Bluetooth, it will show. Sorry, due to my camera, it's very bad in focusing. Okay. So so you see, okay, it's show here the blue color thing. It's mean I connected to Bluetooth. Okay, now I already wearing this smartwatch, so I try to access the apps. Okay, I test one of the apps to calculate the wait. I have a look first. How to calculate? Yeah. Oh, this is the apps. Okay. I now try to measure my heart rate. So it's waiting. Once I pressing this, okay, then it's connected. Can you see it? Yeah, it's running. But so far I still not yet test the accuracy. So by its function. Okay, so I now measure my blood pressure. When I click, yeah, it's auto connected. Yeah, so fast. Try again, see whether accurate or not. Yeah. Okay, I try. Okay. Start mentioned. You can see the watch there, the smartwatch. The time for the smartwatch is follow our smartphone. Okay, they follow the phone time. Once you connected, the time will automatically sync with the phone. Okay, blood pressure, heart rate, sleep monitor. I never try. Okay, I never try, so I cannot comment so much on it. Sorry, I don't know why today my phone is out of focus. It's hard to focus, you see. Okay, pedometer. Okay, so what else function is have? This is calculate the travel distance. This is the train. Okay, so I just simply walk through these apps, but I never try all these apps. I just let you see is how to calculate the heartbeat and also the blood pressure. Sorry, blood pressure. Oh my god, what's wrong with my phone? It's so hard to focus. I don't know why my phone is just cannot control focus. Okay, so that's all for these apps. What else you can adjust? Okay. Oh my god, my phone. Okay, so you can adjust what else. Can bank function setting. Okay, and band display setting. Okay, yeah, it just keep buzzer your phone, very annoying. I don't know why. Once I connect this smartwatch, then we just keep give you a ring and connected. Yeah, it's connected. What else? Smart alarm. Never try. Maybe you try to connect. You can try to download and connect your smartwatch. Yeah, it's a very simple. It's a simple walkthrough. Take it out. So this is okay. This is time. Sorry for the bad video quality for this. When you want to calculate heartbeat, it will emit the green light, maybe to penetrate your skin, your blood. Okay, this is measure the blood pressure. No pressure, it's pressure. Okay. Hey, what happened to this watch? No function at all. Yeah, sorry. The very simple watch. Okay. That's all. It's a very cheap. Can bought it from Lazada. Very cheap. And so far it's okay, not bad for the average person to use it. It look high tech, but it's not the generic one. It's I think it's a copy from Xiaomi. So how you going to switch off? Very simple. Off button, you just press and hold. That's all. Bye. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like it, my video, please give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and thanks for watching. If you know more about this smartwatch, you can leave a comment below, then sharing to other person. Maybe you more expert than me, because it's just a very simple unboxing video and show the apps, a simple walkthrough apps. So that's all video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.